Hey everybody. Okay, a little bit of a mold extravaganza. I have 2 boxes here with 2 shipments from 2 different vendors. So the first one is always a favorite from our friend Stephanie at Creative Paradise, and I just couldn't wait to get my hands on some of the new molds she had. And then she surprised me with one. She told me she was going to surprise me with one. So let's see what we got. I didn't think this through. I love good packaging, but I didn't think it through. So this is the new LF248 Crystal Teardrop. I ordered 2 of these, and I think it's really, really cool. Great use of frit or scrap glass. I know I'm gonna have a lot of fun playing with it. Here it is. So check out that texture inside that mold. It gives you that kind of cut crystal look. It's got the post in here, which then creates a hole for you. So you have to spray this really well with Zip so that it fully releases. But I think that's gonna be really cool. Again, I ordered 2 of this one. So let me, stuck to the box. Let me try to move these out of the way. Here is the other one I ordered. I ordered 4 of these. This round, this is LF247, that round crystal cut. So I think both of these are really cool. I have an idea to play with this round one, so I'll show you both of these when I get to them just as soon as I can. It is the holiday season, so now is the time to be making a bunch of these. So I ordered 4 of these. So get that out of the way. And so I think 2, 3, 4, then this is the other one. This is the surprise one. I'll put this off to the side for just a second. And off to the bottom here is another one of the paw print molds. So you know that I worked with Stephanie exclusively to design this paw print mold. I have one of them. I wanted a second one, and so I placed an order for that. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can go back through my video library and find it, both the debut and then some of the pieces that I've made with this. Absolutely love this mold. Here it is. Beautiful paw prints. I love using this, filling it with scrap or with frit when I'm going in for a full fuse anyway. So I wanted to have 2, and here you go. All right, and then I'm just gonna move this out of the way so that I can show you the surprise one she sent me. This one hasn't even been released yet. This is brand new. She's still playing with it and making prototypes, so it is not on her website, but I'm sure it will be soon. LF251. It's another mold for an ornament. And look at that. It is a snowflake with like a faceted jewel-like design in there. Isn't that cool? So I can't wait to play with this one. So when you make it, it looks like it's a faceted jeweled ornament. So this one will be available soon, LF251. I'm eager to play with that, hopefully later this week. So thank you, Creative Paradise and Stephanie. You're awesome, as always. Now I got a clear room because this next box is even bigger. All right, this big one only has 1 mold in it. This is from Delphi, and the mold is one I've seen before. I don't know who the manufacturer is, and I even did a little bit of a Google search and couldn't find it. So if you know, I'd love to hear from you. Drop me some notes in the comment. I want to say it was developed by Dennis Brady, but that might be totally wrong. And so here I am putting that out into the world and it's incorrect. I don't know. That's what I have in my head. But then I couldn't find it for sale, other than I did find it on Delphi's website. Crazy packaging there. Okay, so this is a stainless steel mold. I love stainless steel. This is a square one, and it is called the Breakaway mold. And so as you know, if you've seen my other videos, when you do stainless steel, when I do the ring molds, I have to line them with 1/8 inch fiber paper, and I usually spray that with Zip. The concept here is that you only have to spray this with zip. You don't even have to line it with fiber paper. And it has a piece here that locks it in place. So if you spray it with zip and then lock it with this mechanism right here, see if you can see this. There you go. It's locked in, it can't move and it won't open up on you. But then when your piece is fired, you take the lock off and you just open this up and literally break it away from your glass. And what I'm told, or what I've seen, is that you have a nice cleaner edge on the glass. So I'm eager to play with this. I love scrap melts. So I'm eager to play with this one. I think this is the 12 by 12. They have an 8 by 8, I believe. But I wanted that bigger one. So stay tuned and you'll see this in some future videos as well. I don't know if that's the end of the boxes. As you know, if I get more, I'll do more unboxing. Catch you all later. 'Tis the season. Bye-bye.